Space inside your work truck is always at a premium. Add to that fact that with all the gear you need to haul around for your cleaning and restoration jobs, storage, security, and safety need to be a big focus of your van layout. That's why HydraMaster has introduced the Hydra-Shelf Adjustable Shelving System, a modular, wall-mounted, low-profile shelving and storage system specifically designed for the higher roof unibody construction vans. HydraMaster's Hydra-Shelf Adjustable Shelving System maximizes available space in your van to fit more tools, chemicals, drying equipment, instruments, and accessories without losing valuable floor space. It stores, secures, and protects. The Hydra-Shelf Adjustable Shelving System fits over the wheel wells of unibody vans and takes advantage of higher roofs for more storage space. Higher bottom shelves allow for spotting kits or tool storage on the van floor below the first shelf. You can attach tool brackets and shelves in numerous configurations so you can get to your tools and chemicals quicker, stay organized, and always look professional. The Hydra-Shelf Adjustable Shelving System has many features. It's constructed of heavy-duty stainless steel and anodized aluminum for maximum corrosion resistance. The shelf spacing easily adjusts with a single knob on the end of each shelf. The entire shelf system moves front to back to accommodate additional accessory mounting locations. The shelves have 4-inch sides to ensure items stay organized and in place. They are ideal for holding chemical bottles, but can also be used to store tools, brushes, and more. The shelves have rounded corners for safety, and accessory items can be added to your system to effectively employ Evolution 1.5 and 2-inch wand rack holders, as well as an additional storage solution reel for extra pressure hose, garden hose, or a hose for your automatic wastewater disposal system. The Hydra-Shelf Adjustable Shelving System can be ordered from your local HydraMaster distributor. For more information, visit HydraMaster.com.